Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex and we're continuing with our gold analysis. So like I told you guys yesterday, gold was bullish and we made gold around this particular area. I didn't know that gold was going to move that much yesterday, but gold made an incredible 500 pips move yesterday. So gold has gone to this particular supply zone, or you can call it a sell zone, and gold is reacting strongly at this sell zone. So as you guys know, we look at it from the higher time frame perspective and we come to the lower time frame to see what we can get from the market. So gold has tipped this particular sell zone, which as you can clearly see is a very strong candle. This one is a very strong candle, a strong reversal candle, and also the next candle is proven to be bearish also. So what is our outlook for gold today? You know, today we have PPI. We have PPI today. We also have CPI tomorrow. So I believe that well, let's see what happens with doing the CPI and the PPI, but I know very well that gold will look for a means to fall back down. So you can see this is the highest high of gold. This is the highest high, as you can clearly see over here. So gold will look for a means to fall down, I think, this week. So I'm looking for gold to be bearish this week because the Monday candle has already proven for gold to be bullish. As you can clearly see, gold has been bullish ever since it left this area. It has moved about how many pips? Let's see from here all the way here. It's about from this demand zone all the way to this particular zone. So we're looking for gold to pull back, because if you put the Fibonacci tool over here, let's say from this area all the way to this area, you can see that the 50 level is around this particular area, which was broken strongly today because of the market reaction. So I will say that gold has to pull back at least to the 50 level, to the 0.38 level, or the 50 level, or even the 0.6 level before it can gain momentum. But you can see that now gold is trying to pull back to the upside. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's see what happens clearly here, so we can be able to know what to do. Okay, in the smaller time frame we can see that there's a pullback also on gold. Don't forget we're still in a bullish trend, but we are already in a sell zone. So we have to put that in perspective, that we are already in a sell zone even though we're still in a bullish trend. I would love to see something very strong, you know, a strong reaction for me to know exactly what's going to happen. Because see, if gold has to sell in this particular area, then we want to see something like this, you know, price goes up like that, like what is happening right now. It pulls back down, it goes a little bit up, then it forms a double top formation, or you can see an M pattern. So this pattern will be very strong, and I would think this is exactly what we should be looking for in the London session or the New York session, because I believe that when gold pulls back up, it will form a double top formation and falls back down. Or if it doesn't just fall down directly, it's going to form some kind of like a double top formation or some kind of like a reversal candle forming around these areas before it falls back down. So I don't see gold moving too much anymore. It will go and, you know, react somewhere around this area. Let's look at the daily time frame stuff. Okay, you can see that in the daily time frame it has gone to a strong sell zone. So let's see how this candle of today ends, but I believe that it's going to be bearish today. If it's not bearish today, it's going to be bearish tomorrow. CPI, whatever, even the news is positive for the gold. Let's say the CPI is negative, gold is still going to look for it to fall down. That's just how it's going to be like. So it doesn't matter if the news is positive or negative. When gold has gotten to an overbought area, it's going to sell. So the news may cause it to, you know, just form a new high, but after that it's going to start falling back down strongly, and that's what we're looking forward to, this CPI. So that's my analysis for gold today. So for those who are trading during the day, what you should be looking for is that after this pullback, let's see how it goes, because we're already close to 5 a.m. I want to wait for the London session and see what happens there. If price pulls back to this area like this, I'm looking for a sell candle. I'll look for a strong sell candle. If I see a strong reversal candle, I'll take a sell position over there. Then I'll just put my stop loss, let's say, and I put my stop loss, let's say it should be at least 3:1. Okay, it should be 3:1. That's the risk to reward ratio. So I'll see, this is the start of the week, so my outlook will be this area if I'm taking any trade. So my risk to reward should be at least 3:1. If I have good trades, I'll just take more positions. But anyways, we're looking forward to see what happens today at the London session and also the New York session, which will be very active because of the PPI news. So that's my analysis for gold today. So that's my thoughts for today. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, leave your thoughts in this video, and also see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to join our Telegram group and contact me on Telegram. So that said, thanks for watching. Bye.